Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The ultimate gaming beast has arrived. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the OnePlus Nord CE5, officially launching globally on July 8th. And trust me, this device is engineered with gamers in mind. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now let's jump into the unboxing experience of the OnePlus Nord CE5. First up, the box itself. This is the OnePlus Nord CE5. Inside, OnePlus has packed all the essentials: an ultra-fast 80-watt SuperVOOC charger, a USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a protective case to shield your phone from day one. Everything you need to get started is right here, making it a complete, ready-to-go package straight out of the box. Now let's talk design, and the OnePlus Nord CE5 truly delivers. It features a sleek flat back, a compact metal camera ring, and a flat edge frame that enhances grip and comfort. The redesigned, smaller camera module stays out of the way during gaming, giving you an uninterrupted experience. The body boasts a flagship-grade silk matte finish that feels smooth, premium, and non-sticky to the touch. Despite housing a large battery, the phone remains impressively light at just 200 grams and ultra-slim at 8.2 millimeters. Thanks to its perfect 50-50 weight distribution, even long gaming sessions feel effortless. You'll get to choose from two eye-catching colors, white and purple, and with an IP64 rating, it's built to resist dust and water splashes with ease. The front of the device showcases a vibrant 6.77-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, delivering stunning visuals with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It also includes hardware-level eye protection, ensuring a more comfortable and strain-free experience, whether you're gaming for hours or binge-watching your favorite shows. Let's talk about what makes this phone a true gaming powerhouse. At its core is the flagship-grade MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, built on TSMC's advanced 4nm process. It features a unique 4+4 architecture, 4 super cores and 4 performance cores, delivering top-tier gaming performance with improved power efficiency and reduced heat. The device is also PUBG Pro League certified, meaning it's engineered for serious competitive gameplay. To take responsiveness to the next level, it includes a dedicated Linksheet touch chip, boasting an incredible 3000 Hz instant touch sampling rate and 300 Hz 5-finger tracking, ensuring every tap, swipe, and move registers with lightning speed. Fueling all this performance is a massive 7100 mAh battery, paired with blazing fast 80-watt charging and bypass charging support, so you can game and charge simultaneously without overheating. To further enhance thermal efficiency, the phone features a cutting-edge Glacier Cooling System that covers over 7,000 millimeters of surface area. It's a true game changer when it comes to sustained performance and temperature control. On the camera front, the phone features a 50-megapixel Sony LYT-600 sensor with optical image stabilization, delivering sharp, stable shots in any scenario. There's also a 2-megapixel depth sensor to enhance portrait photography with natural background blur. On the software side, it runs Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15, offering a clean, fluid user experience. OnePlus promises 4 years of security updates and 3 major Android version upgrades to keep your device future-ready. According to leaks, the OnePlus Nord CE5 is expected to be priced at around £220 in the UK and $293 in the US. And that wraps up our full unboxing and review of the OnePlus Nord CE5, a budget-friendly beast with flagship-level performance, stunning design, and powerful features perfect for gamers and everyday users alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more honest tech reviews and unboxings. Also, follow us on X, formerly Twitter, for the latest gadget deals and tech updates. And hey, if you haven't watched our in-depth review of the Vivo X200 FE, which is launching mid-July in the UK, make sure to check it out. The link is waiting for you in the description section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.